Well, first I had the cellulase procedure. Cellulate's been an issue for me for a long time. I'm a very active person. I work out a lot, I weight train, but when you get to be a certain age, between 35, 40, then you don't have as much leeway with what your skin's gonna do. You're just gonna keep getting older. So I had the cellulase procedure done first. It went well, but I felt like I still had a couple of pockets of just a little bit of fat that I wanted removed, so that I had the Smart Lipo. Well, I'm familiar with Dr. Berman. I've known him for a long time, and he's ultra professional. He goes through step by step what the experience is going to be like. It was actually really painless, really straightforward, and the office gives you a lot of literature to make sure that you're reading over all of the potential issues that can occur during the procedures. But generally speaking, it was pretty straightforward, very, very easy. When people say, lipo, you get kind of scared thinking, oh, it's gonna come back, or it's such like a vain thing. But in my particular case, it wasn't really so much a vain thing as it was a vanity thing, as it was a confidence issue. I wanted to be confident in wearing a bikini and, being a fit over 40 person. And so if there were any preconceived notions, it was just, do I really need to be doing this? And I think when I was speaking with Dr. Berman and how much we would be doing and how little he would actually be working on me, it made me feel a little bit more confident about the procedure, because I know that my downtime and my healing would be basically next to nothing, and it was. Initially, I hadn't really heard of Smart Lipo before, but once Dr. Berman educated me on what it was and how it was a minimally invasive procedure, it can be done in the office, it can be done while I'm awake with a local anesthetic, I was like, okay, sold. I was always reluctant to do something like this because in my mind, the amount of working out and the amount of diet and exercise and the water that I'm drinking should be enough. But the older you get, the harder it is for those pockets of fat to, get lost. It's just, your body just holds on to them. I have better results today than I did yesterday. I had a compression garment that I basically bought online. It was like maybe 20 bucks. I wore it every day for about 3 weeks, and it was not uncomfortable at all. In fact, I felt better when I had it on, and it's necessary for the healing process to really take effect the way that it's supposed to. And I wasn't in a lot of pain. The day after the procedure, I was a little bit sore, kind of like maybe I worked out a little too hard. But other than that, it was really painless, honestly. From start to finish, pain wasn't really part of the equation. Definitely go for the consultation, but know that this is a procedure that can change your life for the better. And being confident in shorts and a swimsuit it's definitely something that every woman should feel. There shouldn't be a stigma behind getting something done from a plastic surgery angle, especially if it's something that's fairly minimally invasive like Smart Lipo is. Because honestly, if it boosts your confidence and makes you feel better about yourself, that's going to in turn help you with your relationships with other people in your life. Because if you feel good about yourself, you're going to feel better about the people that are in your life, and they're going to see that confidence and they're going to respond to it positively. That's been my experience anyway.